I posted a video earlier this year about how I had a love-hate relationship with my Blackstone 22-inch griddle. I got a lot of feedback, positive and a little negative. I decided to invest some time in learning how to use it better. I used to cook on flat tops at a couple of restaurants, so I know how to work everything. I just figured that the Blackstone should work better than I thought it would. And of course, that was on me. Right? Everything has its own limitations. Regardless, I cooked on this thing at least 2 or 3 times a week throughout the whole summer. And since the season had changed, I thought it was time to give it a good scrub down and reseason it. Now, if people don't like doing tedious little things, this might not be the chore for you. I didn't mind cleaning it up. I liked seeing it get clean, and I was excited to try the new seasoning technique that I had learned from someone else. So as you can see, I used no chemicals. I just used ice. I used a drill with a metal brush. I used a metal handheld brush. I used tons of paper towels, and I used a copper SOS pad and basically used it to clean it. As you can see, it took a while to get everything done. The overall process though took me less than an hour. If you were not using the drill, it would take a lot longer. I feel that it was worth the time invested. It did work better when I turned on the heat because it seemed to help me get everything broken up a little bit better. And then I just continued to clean it, scrub it, use the drill on it until it was ready to put the oil on it. This was the first time I really deep cleaned it and reseasoned it. It already had some kind of factory seasoned coating on it when we got it. And all I did at the time and since then was just kind of scrub it down a little bit and continue to add olive oil on it. I went with avocado oil now because it has a higher smoke rate. And so I'm going to see how that works. If you redo your Blackstone, let us know how you do it in the comments below. Do you use a wire brush? I know some people that swear by it and other people think that it's an absolutely horrible idea. I went with it just to see how it worked. Overall, I was satisfied with how clean it got. Of course, there is some little spots here and there. That's understandable, I guess. In the future, I will definitely use a bigger brush than what I use now, maybe for a little more consistent. But I did try to smooth out all the grooves and get everything oiled up